make sure that the culprits go to jail. This is unpardonable. You know, the biggest possession of a man is his land. And if he's deprived of his land, many things can happen. Even relatives, you know, if they are deprived possession of their land, they go to the extent of murdering the perpetrators of all of these things. So, Mr. Chairman, I agree that we should, I agree with the tenor of the resolution, that we should dig deeper into this, summon the officials who might be liable for this Dastardy Act of issuing fake land titles. So, hindi na siguro kailangan na pag-itip pa ng mga kaibigan natin, Professor Mariano, ang facts dito. Mabuti siguro, tawagin muna natin yung authorities, the persons who you think are responsible for issuing these fake titles, and let's have a consultation. Anong maaaring na sinabi na ninyo eh?
I think we publicly believe in Congressman Mariano, and we know that there's a scandal going on right here. And I think what is important now is to approve the resolution for us to investigate this matter, and as suggested by Congressman Cuenco to invite all those people involved, and we present these people as direct witnesses to the proliferation of fake titles. And I think that is to the satisfaction of the Honorable Congressman.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chairman, at maraming salamat sa nagalang-galang na kapwa pinagawa ng Cuenco, Chairman of the Committee on Foreign Relations. At marahil po, napaka-positibo at mga po yung ating pagtuon dito na magkaroon tayo ng masukaan na mag-imbestiga, mag-siyasa, at kung sino man po ang mga dapat managot at ay dapat na managot at parusahan. Salamat po, Mr. Chairman, at ngayon man, dahil na nandito naman po yung sa Pamilya Sierra, baka mahinga natin kahit naman lamang initial pahayag po nila, kaunay naman sa ating agaran responde o pagtutuan. Sa nilalaman po ito ang mga resolution. Kung ating sa mamarapatin po ng sistema ng kapwa.
Sige po, Sir Pasi.
Magandang tanghali po. Ako po, tulad, ako po si Aurelio Sierra na nakatira sa Block 3, ang Block 3, dito Santa Cruz, Barangay Santa Cruz, Antipolo City. Tulad po nung among sinabi ni Congressman Mariano, ay ito pong, kaya po ginagawa, ito pong titulo ni Mr. Ramos, ito po, wala po ito na serial number. Ito po, wala pong technical. Wala pong yan ang plan. At ito po, nag-iutan pa po ng 280 million sa Medyo Bank. Kahit po may adverse claim at misdemeanor sa likod, nag-iutan po yan ang nakita po namin sa Pwede. Ay, kaya po ito, ang isang nakapag-yung hirap sa aming mga angka ng Sierra, na walang lahat ang aming pong edukasyon, kinabukasan, nakapatan ng tao, at hindi pa kami nakapag-aaral dahil dito po sa titong ito. Nagagawa po ni Alfredo Ramos sa aming pong angka ng Sierra. At doon po sa...
Patingin nga. Ba't naman tinatanggap to? Wala. Klaro, fake ito eh.
Wala nang technical description and
Klaro.
wala rin.
Sino tumatanggap yan? Yung bangko mismo, tumanggap yan? Sino nag-recognize yan? Talagang on its face. Fake na fake.
na lang natin na discuss.
Mr. Chairman, I think we should really have the first did you check whether this is issued or it is really not present in the register of deeds.
Nirecord ko.
So we have to let the register of deeds come here and say this because
We have to confront the register. Dahil siya kung ito o ito, yung ito.
So this thing, can you tell us whether the issue is? This is existing and whether the application.
Okay, good morning, Your Honor. Acting register of deeds of,
Your microphone.
yeah, the present, yeah, thank you. The present acting register of deeds. First of all, I would like to make a record that I came or sat as a registered deeds for sometimes in 2005. All right. The title, Transfer Certificate 41173, under the name of
Ramos.
Alfredo Ramos and Presentacion Ramos. I don't see them here. I suppose they were invited. This owners, Alfredo Ramos and Presentacion Ramos, I believe they are the same owners of the National Bookstore. All right. We have
Socorro is the owner.
Alfredo Ramos and Presentacion Ramos. I believe.
Now, spouses? The wife of the Alfredo Ramos of National Socorro Ramos.
Your Honor, this is transfer certificate of title 41173 under the name of Alfredo C. Ramos, married to Presentacion Nosun.
That's different. It's not the owner of
All right. Okay.
the store, definitely.
All right.
Socorro is the owner.
All right. Well, Your Honor, we have a copy, a office file of this title in our registry.
Okay.
Yes. If we look at the title, at the top there are, because there are so many transactions, all right, this office file of title came to the newly established registry of deeds of Antipolo, which was established in year 2000. It was transmitted from the Marikina registry of deeds sometimes in September 7, 2004. All right. From the back also thereof, there's also an intuition that this was the office file of this copy of the title was transmitted coming from the registry of deeds of province of Rizal.